In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create document in Docusign 2026. Full tutorial, 5 minutes. First, log into Docusign and land on your home dashboard. If this is your first time, make sure you're using your official account and a secure connection. From here, we'll build and send what Docusign calls an envelope. Think of an envelope as a container that holds your documents, your recipients, and all the signing settings in one place. Click Start, then choose Send an Envelope to begin. This opens the workspace where you'll add files and define who needs to sign. Envelopes help keep everything organized, and they track status for you from start to finish. Next, upload your documents from your computer or connect a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. PDFs and Word files are common, but most standard formats work well. If you add more than one file, arrange them in the order you want recipients to see them, and double check that page orientation and quality look right before moving on. Now enter the names and email addresses of your signers and define their roles. A typical role is signer, but you can also include people who only need to receive a copy. Accuracy matters here. Correct emails ensure the envelope reaches the right inboxes, and roles determine who can sign, who can view, and who only observes. If your document needs to move through people in a specific sequence, check Set Signing Order. Assign numbers to indicate who signs first, second, and so on. Use a single number for multiple recipients if you want them to receive it at the same time. This prevents confusion and keeps approvals flowing in the right order. Click Next to open the editing view. Here's where you place fields on the document. Drag and drop signature, date signed, name, and text fields from the left panel onto the exact spots where information is required. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct recipient. Color coding helps you confirm you're placing tags for the right person. On the right sidebar, you can make fields required, apply validation to enforce formats like numbers or dates, and add tooltips to guide signers on what to enter. Use these settings to reduce mistakes and keep your document compliant and clear. Finally, review everything carefully, then click Send to distribute the envelope. Recipients will get an email with a secure link to sign, and you can monitor progress from your dashboard. That's it. You've created and sent a Docusign document efficiently and professionally.